In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a curve in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, adding curves can really enhance the visual appeal and help communicate complex ideas more effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to incorporate curves seamlessly into your slides, adding that extra touch of professionalism and creativity. First, you'll want to open Google Slides and navigate to the presentation you want to edit. If you don't have a specific presentation in mind, you can always start a new one to practice these skills. Once you're in the right presentation, you should head over to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll click on Insert, which drops down a menu with various options. Among these, you'll see a section for Line. Hover over it, and from the submenu that appears, select Curve. Now that you've selected the tool, you're ready to start drawing your curve. Move your cursor to the slide where you want the curve to begin, and click to set the starting point. This initial click establishes the anchor for your future curve. As you proceed, you'll add more points to shape the curve. Click again at each location where you want the curve to bend or change direction. This method allows you to create more complex shapes, giving you the flexibility to adapt the curve to your needs precisely. To finish drawing the curve, you have a couple of options. You can double-click to end the curve at the last clicked point. If you want to close the shape with a complete loop, click once more on the starting point, and Google Slides will automatically close the curve for you. This functionality gives you the freedom to create either open-ended curves or closed shapes based on your design needs. Once your curve is in place, it's time to customize it to fit your presentation style. You can adjust the appearance by changing the color and thickness of the curve. Simply select the curve you've drawn and you'll notice new options appear in the toolbar above. These options include a palette for colors and a menu for adjusting the line thickness. You can also choose to make your line dashed or dotted, giving you further creative control. And there you have it. You've expertly drawn and customized a curve in Google Slides to add a polished, sophisticated element to your presentation. If at any point you want to tweak the design, just click on the curve to make any necessary adjustments. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your future projects with beautiful, flowing curves.